Welcome back to the Jesse Spec YouTube channel. Sorry for the long delay and not so much posting recently. However, today I want to share with you a race that I just attended last week that is called the Slalom de Bière. And you will see the car is considerably faster than last year. The weather was better too. So let me show you what was one of my best trial runs I did. I did have, however, some problems with the GoPro, so I could only record the trial runs, but you will see already there's a considerable improvement in speed, and I'll give you the scores at the end of this video. So thanks for watching and enjoy. Wow, that felt good. I was really pushing it towards the end. This time was 3 minutes and 4 seconds. That's roughly what I did last year, but sadly my GoPro didn't work the whole day, so I actually managed to go down another 3 seconds faster, which gave me the 5th position in my category, which gave me a medal, so I'm pretty happy. I actually also managed to improve my time by 3 seconds compared to last year, which is definitely showing that things are going faster, the car's running better, and I'm pretty sure I improved my driving a little bit too. If you like this kind of format for driving videos, make sure to comment and tell me below. I'm looking forward to hearing from you, and I will see you in the next one. Thanks for watching.